Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a vlog style video today because I am going to show you how I fix my background, how I do everything, how I make this setup, everything I'm going to talk about in this particular video. And this is going to be a little bit raw and unedited of me wearing my pajamas and talking to you guys, showing you around how I do this. And I feel this is the perfect time when you can experiment with your background and everything. It takes a little bit of time, but then at the end it looks really pretty, I feel. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy, and if you'll enjoy, let me know in the comment section. I will be more than interested in making such type of videos because I really like making such videos for you guys. So yeah, that is about it. Let's get started and see how I got this done. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I set up my background for YouTube, and it is very special because here I am also going to add a Christmas tree which I have already decorated, but I don't know where I have to decorate it. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू से दैट मेरे पास कोई ऐसे रूम नहीं है जिसको मैं हमेशा स्टूडियो बना के रखूँ, बिकॉज ऑफ मेनी अदर वर्क एज वेल, क्योंकि पूरा टाइम मैं नहीं उसको स्टूडियो बना के रख सकती. सो वट आई डू इज़ आई ऑलवेज lay the background whenever I am shooting. Like today I have this amazing video to shoot related to cups and lashes, तो मैंने सोचा कि एक बैकग्राउंड भी मैं अच्छे से सजा के देखती हूँ. एंड आई ऑल्सो थॉट दैट लेट मी शेयर दैट विथ यू गाइज ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज़ द रूम वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क टुडे. ऑल्दो मैं एक और रूम है, मैं उसको भी यूज़ करती हूँ ऑल्टरनेटिवली, दैट आई यूज़ प्रेफरेबली इन नाइट. एंड दिन में क्योंकि इस रूम में इतनी सारी लाइट आती है, दैट्स वाई आई यूज़ दिस पर्टिकुलर रूम, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट right now. And please excuse my face and my hair because I just came out of my shower. And let me tell you the time. It is currently 1:46. So I'm going to जो मैं अपना बैकग्राउंड सजाने वाली हूँ, इतनी ज़्यादा बातें हो रही है ना आजकल. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू स्टेप बाय स्टेप. सो बी हियर ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई अपग्रेडेड माई इक्विपमेंट्स. तो आप लोगों में से कई लोग ऐसे हैं जो अपना यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट करते हैं और इंस्टाग्राम स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, एंड यू गाइज हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. तो ये वाली वीडियो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. वन मोर थिंग, आई शूट ऑल माई वीडियोज़ यूजिंग माई फ़ोन. तो अभी भी मेरे पास OnePlus 7 है, तो मैं उसका अभी फ्रंट कैमरा यूज़ कर रही हूँ क्योंकि अभी मैं बैक नहीं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. जनरली मैं बैक कैमरा तब यूज़ करती हूँ इफ़ आई एम शूटिंग एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू मेकअप, या मुझे कोई फोकस में कोई चीज़ दिखानी होती है. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डू. So let's get started, and please don't mind the way I'm looking because it is important for me to set it up. So let's go and let's get started. Okay, so I have decided that I am going to place my backdrop here. Like जो background stand होगा, one stand will be put up here and one stand would be put up there. तो उससे क्या होगा that this area is covered and I can sit over. Here is my bed, so I can sit over here and I can shoot content. So for that, let me come over there. सो हैवी. सो फॉर दैट मेरे दो यहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड स्टैंड्स हैं जो कि सोनिया कंपनी की तरफ से है. लेट मी शो यू, दिस आर रियली हैवी. ओ माय गॉड. तो ये सोनिया कंपनी की तरफ से है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस देम देयर, एंड उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू लाई द बैकग्राउंड कपड़ा एंड एवरीथिंग. So I have two stands like this. So I'm going to place one here and one there. Now these are very heavy, like not that heavy, but these are very good quality, what I feel is. So yeah. Also have 3 rods like this, but I just use 2 because I think that is more than enough. So I just use these 2. I'm going to attach it and then I'm going to place them over these 2 stands. So it is very easy to assemble, and the best quality, I think the best part is the quality is really good and sturdy. And yeah, I really like it. If I have bought it for around 2000 rupees, so it is worth it. Yes. And the height is also too much. Like अभी तो मैंने इसको बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खोला, बट काफ़ी अच्छी हाइट है उसकी. Now I'm going to join these two ends for that. Okay, now these are set up. Now I have this kapda over here, and I'm going to place that here. This is done, and let me show you one thing. When I sit here, I'm going to sit here over here. Okay, so none of this is going to be visible, only this white thing is visible. And I'm thinking to place my Christmas tree over here or over here. Let's see where it looks the most appropriate. I'm going to place that there only. Yeah, so there I have placed my Christmas tree. I know it is very छोटू सा Christmas tree, but यही मुझे यहाँ मिल रहा था. And what I have done is, because this part is very movable, तो मैंने क्या किया, I had this stool lying over here and I had placed this tree over there. So now I think it looks really good. It looks cute, I would say. Only thing is that I could not get a plug over here. So maybe I'll try some this with extension coil. So I'm gonna just put the extension coil over here and then we will see how it is looking. Okay, so now I have fixed these fairy lights and I have kept my cord over here. So this looks amazing, I believe. So I also want you guys to see some of the other things as well. So I have one more light over here. I have these lights also, and now I'm figuring out where I should keep these lights, because these also look very nice, I believe, according to me. Okay guys, so this is what the whole setup is looking like, and if I this is what it looks like. I feel this looks so pretty, and all my videos are going to look so amazing over here. Now I'm going to try it with my back camera and see how it looks, but before that I'll also set up my ring light. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that as well. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm going to set up my ring light. So I'm going to show you which company's ring light I have. The light which I have is from the company Digitech, and yes, I can stand over here. And that's a pretty good ring light. You don't need ring light if you have a lot of sunlight, but here in Delhi it is winter, so I need something which is a little bit I need ring light because the light is always fluctuating. By the way, I also have this background, like this is an additional background cloth, and I also got this. So I have already shared this, I think, in one of my videos, and if you follow me on Instagram you already know it. So here it is. This is the ring light from the company Digitech, and you can see this is how it looks like. And for this also I have a stand. This is the stand for the same. Now one more thing, let me tell you that I haven't bought everything at once. So I have invested one by one. So it's been more than 1 year since I have been collecting. First of all I bought the ring light because it was very necessary for me to have a ring light. You need all the. Now I'm going to show you here. So again, the height is, whichever height I can adjust. Let me do it like this. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I also have a cord with this, like, although you do get attachments for batteries, but then I prefer it using the my electricity only. So yeah, here is the cord. So now I'm going to fix this up on this particular thing. Actually right now it is quite sunny outside, but then it's not very sunny. But in summer months I don't require ring light. It is just to add a supportive layer to my videos. So I will keep it far as I can. Yes, because I am going to sit there and shoot, so I don't need all the light coming on my face. Now this is where I can place it, and then I can fix my cord over here. Now this is the problem because I don't have a lot of things, so maybe I'll have to do something. Okay, so I'm going to place it here. Now you can see this is my ring light, and the light will come there. Now I'm going to sit there and show you what difference it makes, what difference you can have using a ring light. So I don't know from where I can go. So for a moment I'm just going to disconnect my lights. Yeah. So I'll show you. Oh god, it is so difficult. Yeah, so this is how it will look with a ring light on, and this is how it look. Just a second. Yeah, and this is how it will look from my back camera. You can see it looks very clear because of that ring light. If I don't use that, then it won't be that clear. Also, you can pretty well see the quality of the camera. Like if I'm using the back cam, the clarity is so much, but if I use the front camera, the quality is not that good. So I prefer using back camera, but for that again one more jugaad I have to do, that I also have to find something to see myself. Generally I do it with my ring light, so I'll try doing that. I'm going to show you what I do. Again, that's again one more jugaad that I do. Let me show you. It's like an old कोई भी एक पुराना सा एक ये मिरर है. आई हैव दिस विद मी. दिस इज लाइक एमी. सो व्हाट आई डू इज जनरली कि मैं ना इससे इसको फिक्स कर देती हूँ यहाँ पे. लाइक इट्स अ सॉर्ट ऑफ जुगाड़ जो मेरे लिए तो काम करता है. यू गाइस हैव टू सी दैट इफ दैट वर्क्स फॉर यू. सो या आई डू इट लाइक दिस एंड आई प्लेस इट ओवर हियर. ये काफ़ी नीचे है अभी तो, बट आई कैन ऑल्सो प्लेस इट ओवर हियर विद माई रिंग लाइट सो दैट आई कैन सी इट वेरी क्लियरली. I'll show you what it looks like. All over the places. Now this is what it will look, so that when I sit here, I can see myself in that particular mirror. So let's try doing this. I don't know if I would be able to show you that because I am working with my phone. I only have this, so I'm not sure, but I'll try to show you. That is about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a like. If you really liked this background, make sure you give a like and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.